do it all, everything on our own. We don't need anything or anyone.
The area of the library I'm sitting in doesn't have any windows, but it's only 3 p.m, and if I could see outside, I'd see an overcast sun sinking lower and lower. Winter's more or less here now, and it's brought colds and sleet and a feeling of fatigue, and also, of course, exams. Library marathons are happening a few times a week now. Sometimes I'll miss a morning lecture because it's just too cold to drag myself out of bed. In only 3 weeks, my exams will all be done, which is completely overwhelming. There's a lot of studying I have to do if I want to succeed this semester. So, because I know you're going through the exact same thing, here are a few tips, which I hope will help you survive exam season. Firstly, don't be afraid of caffeine, but fix your sleep schedule. It's really important not to rely on caffeine too much, but the lack of sunlight in winter will take a lot of energy out of you, so it's not a bad idea to have a coffee before you go to class. It's also never more important than when exams are on their way to get enough sleep. So try to cut down on late nights, whether you're studying or out for a boogie, and set your alarm for the same time every day. Secondly, do your dishes right after you eat. This doesn't sound like something you'd identify as a priority, but I know that when academia gets overwhelming, everyday chores take a total backseat. Dishes pile up, and then you end up with a gross kitchen and an unhappy flatmate. Thirdly, keep your friends close. Having the support of your peers during a stressful time is what will keep you motivated. Study together, relax together, eat together, support each other. Make sure you understand all your deadlines and you know when they are. There's no feeling quite like the punch in the stomach you get when you find out something you thought was due next week is due in an hour. And fifthly, try to do something every day that you enjoy that isn't uni related. This way you can be sure that you're taking care of yourself too as the work piles up. You can't do anything more than your best, and you definitely won't be capable of doing your best if you're so stressed that you can't enjoy anything. So stay focused, have a good month, remember to breathe. I'll see you on the other side.